Hi everyone, today we'll show you how to do this attraction effect in 3D and Max with Tyflow. Okay, we'll open a new file. We will create the Tyflow icon and do the type icon here. Okay, we'll open the editor. We will give birth to some particle here. Position icon we will pick. Position icon will pick here. And give it some shape. Click 3D and do it here. Display geometry. Okay, and then we'll give it some speed. Here. Do like direction in along icon arrow and pick icon here. You can see it falling down. And we'll do the sending out to the attraction. We will do the operation send out here. And it will send out to the new target. We'll do operation target and pick the target. We will create a target. Create sphere. And then do it like this. Pick the target. And into random. Yeah. You can play around with the time test if you want. Here. Change it a bit. Okay. You can use the physics its shape to give it some characteristic, like it will housing to each other. You can use fear, and we have the characteristic like housing. And here, if you want to use, you can use the physical collision. At a collider here, we'll pick the fear. And here we use mesh or fear. Okay, that's all. Thanks for listening.